Welcome back to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below. And hit that bell button. And so, we are going to be making Play-Doh / slime, whichever you want. And me and my little brother already made some. Go subscribe to his channel. It's Chance Johnson. See, we already made some. Made 2 batches. So, yeah. So, all you'll need is some
You don't need any. No.
all-purpose flour. We have some right here. Let's go in for a second. I'm going in my house. Oops, have a mess. Some dish soap of choice, water, and a spoon and a container. So we have some bowls and a spoon out here. So we already made some, so you're just gonna have to keep mixing. And we don't have any containers, so we're not making any more. So, because we already showed, and how we got the color, we just used water packets to make your water flavored. I used blue and red. He only used red. So, but it turned out a little
completely
pink.
done.
That's yours. But it
Thank
turned
you.
out a little pinkish, like a light red. So, yeah, that's all. That's all we wanted to show you. It would take like 15 minutes to do it. So I'm not making any right now. So, yeah. So, hit the subscribe button. Comment down below if you've made this before. This is my recipe that I made. Hit the like button and hit that bell and go subscribe to his channel, Chance Johnson. Subscribe to me and follow me on all my social medias. Fuzzy Baby or Fuzzy Baby 18 or Fuzzy Baby 08 on Lively and on Musically. So follow me on all my social medias. My Instagram is Fuzzy Baby, and follow me. So, bye guys.